So this is me assembling my first ever gaming chair. The screws weren't confusing at all because they were all grouped together onto what part you will need them. For example, the 5-star base, you will find that there are 10 screws grouped together. That goes for the base. With assembling this, I just started with a 5-star base. Then I attached the bars, put the wheels on. The wheels required some upper body strength for sure. So for the gas lift, at the bottom of the seat, there are 4 screws also grouped together. You will know that there's a label front from the bottom of the seat, and of course the gas lift. You'll know which direction it faces. Put the seat on and turn it to tighten. And for the armrest, there are 4 small screws grouped together and then 2 long ones. You will know where the long ones go because there's a deep hole in the side. To attach the backrest to the armrest, there's also this plastic cover at the side of the armrest to cover the hole wherein you screwed the long screw. So just stick that on. And after that, you'll just have to add the lumbar pillow and the head pillow and you're good to go. So I hope that this will help you assemble your very own chair. Thank you for watching!